Korean weather vocabulary 20 words. Weather.
날씨,
It's your turn.
Rain.
비,
It's your turn.
Rainbow.
무지개,
It's your turn.
Cloud.
구름,
It's your turn.
Cloud.
바람,
It's your turn.
Fog.
안개,
It's your turn.
Typhoon.
태풍,
It's your turn.
Shower.
소나기,
It's your turn.
Lightning.
번개,
It's your turn.
Thunder.
천둥,
It's your turn.
Rainy season.
장마,
It's your turn.
Flood.
홍수,
It's your turn.
Downpour.
폭우,
It's your turn.
Snow.
눈,
It's your turn.
First snow.
첫눈,
It's your turn.
Large snowflakes.
한방눈,
It's your turn.
Sleet.
진눈깨비,
It's your turn.
Hail.
It's your turn.
Yellow dust.
황사,
It's your turn.
Fine dust.
미세먼지,
It's your turn.